So the Eurekas are pretty easy to take apart. You just take off these 4mm screws. There's one on each side. And they don't need to be tightened hard. They also are easy to get off. They just hold the casing on. So then we take off the second one. I just turned it around. And then it literally just pulls straight out, but you don't want to rotate it very much as you pull up because there's a circuit board on the inside. So you just want to, if you need to, you can get a flathead screwdriver and just very gently, trying not to mar the casing, stick it in there. There it goes. So I just pulled straight out. And you can see right away why you didn't want to rotate. If you twisted it, it would have cracked the circuit board here. So you just pull straight out. And then you can remove the circuit board here. It's good to note the orientation, even though it says CPU battery, it means the battery goes on that side. So it is pretty nicely labeled. And set that aside, keeping it clean and free of grease and dust and stuff. And then you have two small screws here on the top that will let you see how will let you access the actual connections of the probes to the circuit board. So these are two long Allen bolts that you unscrew here. And once they are loose, it lets you view the things inside. You can actually slip off this ring if you want. Then you've got a little bit more working room. So what we think is the problem is that the pH sensor here has some kind of gunk on it. So you can just open up, if you don't know, follow the tube straight down, then you can see on the bottom section what's going on. So I'm going to remove these silica packets. That's just a desiccant. And then I'm going to remove the Molex from the board here and try to get it cleaned off. And you can stop.